This is my pancake style air compressor. It's called pancake style because the tank is flat. There's another style called hot dog style where the tank is long. All of these will build up condensation inside. I'll show you how to get it out. On the belly, this is called a bleeder valve, and that valve will let the water out, obviously. Sometimes they rust, you might need a tool. As you can see, they can get out of hand quick. Take care of your tools, take care of yourself. Wesdoesit. Could use more creamer.